आ रही है यार। कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो ये सोचते हैं कि हम लिख तो लेते हैं लेकिन बोलने में जो दुश्वारियाँ होती हैं, तो उनके लिए भी सलूशन है। हाय गाइस, आई एम महमूद हसन फ्रॉम बलरामपुर। The guys who wanna speak English, there are some tips for them. If you want to improve your English, you will have to know some basic tips, and I think these things are very important for you. First of all, you should try to be habitual in English. If you want to speak English, you should try to think about everything in English. Basically, the people of this area think that I will learn English, I will speak English. So first of all, they think in Hindi. Then they try to convert all these things in English. That's not fit thing for them. So whenever you want to speak English, you must start to think first of all in English. English to English thinking is very important because that can give us a lot of chances to us. And there are some basic structures also present. And if you want to learn English, you should know some structures because the Council of India, especially in Allahabad, if you go there, you will find that they provide the structural activities. They provide the structural tools to learn the English. I know grammar is very important, but grammar is not sufficient for English because a fresher cannot speak English with grammar because grammar is a very deep thing for us. If you go for tenses, so tense is not enough for us. So we should try to just take supports of structures, and the structure should be something very simple, just like it, whatever, whenever. Such structures we should try to use in our speech. And the guys, I think in the modern age, they go for the translation, especially in my city, Balrampur. If they want to speak English, they will have to just think about it. But they think about translation, and translation method is, I know it's a very old method. Translation cum grammar method, it's very old method, but I think it's not sufficient for the newcomers. So if you're newcomers, you are new guys, you should try to know about structures because this is a very I think easy tool to speak English. And next thing is I would like to mention that name is what I say right now, just I'm missing, but there's a word, but I can say the hesitation. What a prominent word I'm missing right now, guys. But hesitation, it's a blunder for us. If you have this hesitation, I think it's a devil, you can say. It can kill us. So don't be hesitant. When you come on the stage, you think that I'm just facing a guys who are not better. Always think about them as a simple bone. Don't think they are just scholars and many more. But when we come on the stage, we feel that they're all scholars. They are from Cambridge, Oxford, and never think like this. Whenever you come on the stage, always start to speak in a very normal way, and you all think that it's very simple task for me. The guys who are listening to me, they are just like not scholars, they are just a donkey, you can say. But I am saying donkey, only you can think, only for the speaking time on the stage. Although they are very good one, but you can consider them as a donkeys. Then you can speak in a very proper way. So, dear guys, agitation, it's a blunder for us. So anyhow, we should try to avoid it. And if you avoid agitation, I think it's a very simple task for us to move on. So when you get a chance on the stage, you should try to erase your all agitation. And without agitation, erasing, you can't speak good English. So anyhow, you should try to get command over agitation. You should try to finish it out. And next point for spoken, I would like to tell you, when a boy, when a girls come to learn English, they are forced to speak English to English. I think we should take some supports of our mother tongue, because we cannot be a perfectly English speaker. Here there are many institutes and they say that at least you should try to speak in English. There should be no use of Hindi. But sometimes we can take the supports of Hindi, because we are missing the vocabs, and there should be a trainer, and if you miss any vocabs, you can just take support of any trainers who will provide you knowledge about it. So I think you should use Hindi, but not more. In less amount you can use Hindi. But the guys here, the trainer force too much. They force, if you speak Hindi, I will charge something, what. So this types of thing is not it for us. So when I speak something, you must have to think in English. I mentioned earlier, but sometimes you can take supports of your mother tongue, because mother tongue also can cooperate as well. And if you want to learn English, you should try to converse with your friends, because without conversation you can't do better. Conversation is very important for us. If you interact with your friends, with your relatives, with your colleagues, I think this can be very beneficial, profitable for you. So whenever you get a chance, you should try to converse with anybody. Obviously people love to chat with the foreigners. So if you have any friends out of the state, out of this country, so you can also chat, you can also communicate. And although we are so poor in English right now, but this poverty can be reduced. A person cannot be poor all time. There's a slogan, if we are poor, if we born poor, it's okay, but if you die poor, it's very bad for us. So the same thing is here. If you have no knowledge about English, but by the help of practice, by the help of proper guidance, you can do better. Okay fine, some guys are here. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो ये सोचते हैं कि हम लिख तो लेते हैं, लेकिन बोलने में जो दुश्वारियाँ होती हैं, तो उनके लिए भी सल्यूशन है. अगर वो ये चाहें कि मैं हिंदी को मालूम है बोल ले जाऊँ, अगर वो बोल सकते हैं तो बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन उनको ये दिमाग में आना चाहिए कि हम बोल सकते हैं. जो कभी बोला ही ना हो, वो बोलने की सोचेगा तो कैसे बोल पाएगा. कुछ लोग होते हैं कहते हैं आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती. अरे यार, कभी आप बोले होंगे तभी तो आपको आएगी. अरे कभी आप तैरे होंगे पानी में तभी तो तैरना आपको आएगा. रेगिस्तान में नहीं तैरा जाता है, हमेशा मालूम है पानी में तैरा जाता है, तो आपको उतरना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं नहीं बोल पाऊँगा, मैं केवल लिख लेता हूँ, तो अगर आप लिख सकते हो तो आप बोल भी सकते हो. अगर थॉट्स फ्रेम आपके जहन दिमाग में होता है तो आप उसको बयां भी कर सकते हो अल्फाजों में, क्योंकि जो चीज़ बन गई है ना CPU में, वो आउटपुट देगा स्क्रीन पे. तो इसलिए मालूम है, इफ़ यू राइट डाउन सो यू कैन स्पीक ऑल्सो. So don't be degenerated. Always think that you are the best one, you are the better one. If you write, so you can speak. So don't be generated and think over it. Thank you very much.